y'all, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a wash and go. I haven't done a wash and go on this channel in at least a few months. So I have changed my products just a little bit, and my technique is a little bit different than I used to do it. I have honestly developed more of like a lazy method to my wash and goes because I just don't have the time these days to be super like strategic, to be like super in depth to where I separate small sections. I just don't have the time for all that. So I have pretty much just changed my technique to where I work in larger sections. And honestly, y'all, my hair is still as defined as it was before. And I think it's because of the products that I use that helps the definition a lot. So let me go ahead and just take this hair towel off and, ooh, y'all. So my hair is freshly washed. My hair is almost dry. So of course I'm going to use my spray bottle throughout this process. And then for my products, I'll be using the Camaro's Naturals Curl Love Moisture Milk for my leave-in. This stuff is bae. I've been using this for years and years now, and it's still one of my ride or dies. So I have that. And then I also have the Miele Organics Curl Smoothie. This has kind of just wiggled its way into my new wash and go routine, but it works really well and it keeps my hair hydrated for the entire week. And then for my styling gel, I'll be using the Wetline Extreme, the green jar. And this stuff is amazing as well. It gives my hair a great hold and it just creates amazing definition. Let me go ahead and part my hair off first for where I want the part to go. Now that I have my part, I'm going to just section off like a medium to large section of hair. So about this much hair. And then I'll go ahead and clip the rest of this away, just to make it much easier to work with. All right, so we're gonna spray our hair with water first. And just get that section of hair nice and wet. Work that water in there. Next, I'm going to apply the moisture milk all over that large section of hair. And I just work that product in as well. I do rake it. I find that helps with definition as well. And it also helps to detangle just in case there are still some tangles or knots in my hair. Next up, I'm going to apply the Curl Smoothie all over that large section of hair as well. And again, I am just raking the product through my hair. So this is how my curls are looking, nice and juicy. And then last but not least, I need to apply some gel. But for this part, I'm not going to apply the gel all over this large section of hair. Usually I'll like separate a section this size in like half. So I'll apply the gel to half of the section of hair. Split that section of hair, clip one half away, and then apply the gel to the other half. And for this part of the process, I am more so just smoothing the gel onto my curls. I'm not really raking my hair. I'm just more so smoothing the curls down with the gel. And this gives great definition and it also helps to clump my hair. So I've learned that this helps a lot more with definition, especially since I'm not doing this in super small sections. So again, I'm just applying the gel to the other half of the section of hair, and I'm just smoothing that gel all over. There we go. So there we have that first section. Looks good. Everything looks nice and juicy and clumped together and defined. Now I will go ahead and do that exact same process throughout the rest of my hair. This is how my curls are looking. And then we have this side. And the last step of this process is to dry my hair. I usually rotate between air drying and drying with a blow dryer. And today I just want to get it out the way and dry my hair using a blow dryer. So all I do is I will go between the cool setting and the high heat setting. And pretty much I just take my blow dryer and just kind of like wiggle it from afar. So I never get up too close because I don't want to disrupt the curls and I don't want to cause any extra frizz. So I'll just take the blow dryer and kind of just work it around my head for like 15 minutes. And that way my hair gets nice and dry and it creates this really nice volume and it looks so nice and defined. But it also helps the drying process a ton. So again, I just take my blow dryer whenever it's actually on and I go between the cool setting and the high heat setting. And I just kind of work it around my head like this. And I just continue to blow dry until everything is nice and dry. My hair is about 95% dry now, which is pretty good for me. And this is how my curls are looking after doing the blow drying, whatever you want to call it, process. My curls are super clumped together, which I really do love. And I will go ahead and separate them in a second. But yeah, they are super defined. And I just love how everything is looking thus far. I'm going to take the Mail Organic Mint Almond Oil and just apply a little bit to my hands. And I will just smooth that in and then begin to start separating the chunkier pieces. And this will help give my hair some volume as well. And I'm not separating every single section of hair, but I am feeling for like the more chunkier pieces that are pretty thick. And all I'm doing is just feeling for where the hair naturally separates and just separating that way. So I'm not disrupting the curls at all. I'm not forcing a curl to separate. I'm simply just feeling around to see where the hair is naturally separating. All right, y'all, so that's it. That wraps up my wash and go tutorial. These are my results. My hair feels super soft. My curls are really defined. There is hardly any frizz at all. And I just love how big it gets throughout the week. So this is only day one. I didn't want to pick it out or fluff it out too much, but we are definitely getting some growth, which makes me so happy. So yeah, these are my curls, y'all. I love them. I'll go ahead and turn around so you guys can see the back of my hair. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.